Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video today we're back again with another reaction video, and this time we're checking out Peter Gabriel with a song called Sledgehammer. And the only song I've heard of Peter Gabriel, as far as I know, I may have heard some without realising it, is The Book of Love. I remember that from the Scrubs season finale, like the final episode, before the reboot came out of course. But that was a really good song, and it was like a beautiful montage in the TV show. So we're going to check out this song. This one was suggested and it's called Sledgehammer. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Okay, nice flute at the start. Okay, that's looking like sperm cells, right? Ooh, okay, I'm feeling the instrumental already. I'm liking the groove vibe to this. Okay, so I'm liking the vibe of it. I'm liking the music video, very creative. But this one is such a great music video, one of the most creative I've seen. You could have a fun car bumping. This amusement never ends. I wanna be the Sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. Okay, so like I said, the way this is filmed is totally mind-blowing, and there's a lot of innuendos here. You know, I think it's a song about making love. I may be wrong here, but I'm definitely catching a lot of sexual innuendos in this song. Show me around your fruitcage, 'cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruitcage, especially there, where the fruit is as sweet as can be. I wanna be your Sledgehammer. And we've even got claymation now. And we got a chicken coming out of an egg and dancing. This is the new stuff. I go dancing. Won't you show for me? I will show for you. Show for me. And as we're getting towards the end, he's just getting crazy and crazy with the vocals, the video. Okay, we still got a little bit left. I thought this was the ending. For the final minute, I'm kind of curious what he's going to do. Oh, okay, so is it just the credits? I mean, yeah, a lot of people must have went into making this video because there's just so many different styles coming together. So many different scenes. Shout out to everyone that made this video. Like, what a great job they did. Yeah, the lighting people, the animation. Oh, man, animations. I know that name. Don't they do Wallace and Gromit? Or am I crazy? I may be completely wrong about that. I'm pretty sure they do Wallace and Gromit, which would explain the claymations. But let me know your thoughts about that one. Peter Gabriel with Sledgehammer. And yeah, so I believe it's a song about making love. It definitely had a lot of sexual innuendos in it. But this one was a really fun, upbeat song. And like Sledgehammer, you know what that's a reference to? Or maybe I'm reading into it. But we also had the sperm cells at the start of the video. So I'm pretty sure I'm on point with the meaning of the video. But this one just had like a very distinct sound. I'm not sure exactly when it was made. Definitely feels very 80s-ish, maybe 90s. But I would say most likely 80s based on the sound I was hearing. And I really like the fun energy with this one, and the many different styles for the music video. You never know what's going to happen next. We had a chicken come from an egg and start dancing like a talent show stage, it looked like. Really, this video kind of had everything. And Peter Gabriel, like I said, I only really know the Book of Love, and that's a really good song. I remember that from the Scrubs season finale, and I looked up after, and I really did like that one. So this one, completely different to that style of song, but you could argue this song is kind of about love as well, I guess, in sort of a different type of way. But let me know your thoughts about Peter Gabriel, and what did you think about this? Are there any other videos you want to check out from him? Because, you know, this was a really fun song. I had a lot of fun reacting to this. Just the song was great, but the music video really helped add that extra layer to it and made it even better. Like, I feel like it'd be a great song without the music video, but watching the music video and the creativity that went into it, I really liked it. So let me know what to check out next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, everyone.